All Mr. Men and Little Misses, please report to the dance floor.
To the farthest reaches of the galaxy in every type of rocket imaginable. It takes great.
For the last time, my ship did not sink! This submarine is cheap!
In case you come upon any low tree branches. And this one activates the arm. Look what you've done! Oh, crooked cucumbers! Get me out of this place!
Ta-da!
What is going on?
Mr. Rude, you're a bean burger. Actually, you look good in lettuce in a pickle. Brings out the color in your eyes.
Here! Eat! Stubborn swamp tour.
Number 3, bring in the mail. Oh, that's the last thing.
Mr. Happy and Mr. Rude. Whoa! Whoa!
And there's another. And here are your tickets. One for you, and one for you.
I've never boarded a plane quite like this before.
Miss Chatterbox, you are starting to annoy me. There are no alligators in this swamp! Mr. Bump, what did you do with my tooth?
Ask him.
Say cheese, Mr. Bomb.
No.
Hey! How did you do it, Miss Scary?
I had to use my scariest mask!
Oh, very funny.
What are you waiting for?
Courage.
Courage!
Well, I'm glad you find humor in my pain.
How do we know this isn't some kind of tree?
We can't go home without Miss Giggles.
Why not?
I did it! I got here in time!
Try the bean loaf. It's like square bean balls.
Loaf is not balls, Mr. Grumpy.
Leave yet, Mr. Grumpy?
Oh, yeah? Watch me.
Thank you, Mr. Grumpy. I could not have stopped without you.
I do what I can.
I do not want a toasted baguette. With a fresh baguette. Oh, never mind. I'll have Mr. Fussy's.
Well, what's so scary about a toaster?
The Daily Dale bread store's the place to get the whole wheat loaf for a white baguette. Oh, no! Terrifying toasting torment!
It's supposed to be pineapple flavored, but I think it tastes like salt. Where did I put the polisher? I don't know why I can't remember where I put things. What? Must have hit the wrong switch.
Hello, Mr. Tickle. Mr. Bounce.
Are you ready to dance?
More like ready to run.
Whoops. Mr. Grumpy, you and Mr. Tickle can be partners. Feel the beat.
I'm feeling something, but it isn't the beat.
Mr. Grumpy?
Don't ask. And his name is Marty.
There. I hate to disappoint you, Mr. Bump.
Please go away.
Tell you what.
I'll get rid of the ketchup.
Come out of there.
Whenever you're frightened and terror is near, sing this little song and sing away you feel.
Hey, adorable.
Oh, Mr. Happy, stay away from it. You tricky little devils.
Wowzer, who knew these baby... Thank you, Mr. Tickle. But I quit this little club of yours months ago.
Oh, silly Mr. Grumpy. No one can quit the Clean Teeth Club.
We're all lifetime members.
We have a plane to catch. Come on, Mr. Quiet. We don't want to miss our plane.
Interested in learning a new dance, so it's no surprise that Miss Whoops's dance class is the most popular.
Oh, Mr. Messy.
Thanks for coming, Miss Daredevil. Wow! Those
I'll give you inappropriate. Don't you dare.
Now Mr. Riddle is over there, making friends with the grizzly bear.
Orange speckled tree frog. You neither.
This chatterbox! I have had enough of all this cave talk! I am going home!
Hello, Miss Magic. May we have 3 fruit drinks, please? But no kiwi in mine. I can't take fuzzy fruit.
I was just on vacation on a tropical island, but this is wonderful too!
Not if you're thirsty.
Say, those look refreshing. I'm as thirsty as a whale. May I have one of those drinks, Miss Magic?
Zata-zee!
Super!
Service. I'll wash, brush, and clean any pet. Guaranteed. Hello, Mr. Grumpy. Looking for a gift?
No, he is here to catch a bus.
Yo, sorry about that, Mr. Rude.
Free tickles with every gift.
Today is Hairstylist Day in Dillydale.
I wish this day would never come. You have no idea, Mr. Quiet, the pressure of getting so many gifts. I'll never open a present again.
I love.
Want to get some sun?
Oh, it is so tropical. Makes me want to put on a...
Hello, Miss Calamity. What you doing?
I'm sinking.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
How about a tickle to celebrate?
Not now, Mr. Tickle. I've got to move. This mower has a mind of its own. No!
This would be a good time to go inside.
That looks like a nice place for a picnic.
That patch of mud?
Mr. Bump, you're starting to chip away at my good mood. Now come on and lay out the blanket.
Oh no! Our lunch!
Using it on a windy day. Oh dear. And look out for the storm drains.
Oh dear!
It smells delicious.
Oh, look out! That lid's gonna blow! Oh no! Wait! Oh, give me a get back! Oh, octopi! Oh! I call these chocolate boom booms.
A new headlight! Oh, just what I needed! Whoa! A baton! Miss Whoops has been looking for that since the Dillydale Parade.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night.
I'll just get rid of this. Go poopity poop!
It's moving, Mr. Tickle.
I know a walkie-talkie that needs a you-know-what.
I am trying to enjoy my picnic!
Mr. Stubborn, we need to get off the beach!
And give up this prime picnic spot to someone else? Ha! No way!
Whoops. Hi, Mr. Bump. Thought I'd drop by for a visit.
Hello, Miss Whoops.
Sorry to hear about your accident.
Well, that'll teach me to wrestle elephants.
Hey! A remote control! Oh, how about we watch some roller derby?
No, Miss Whoops, no, that's not for the TV! Oh, bad
Crush it!
Sometimes these remote controls are so unreliable. Mr. Bump, what are you doing up there?
Bizwhoops, if you wouldn't mind, I'd like to get some rest now.
Oh, sure. Let me know if there's anything else I can do. I'll be back tomorrow.
Poopity poop.